ऑर्डर ऑर्डर तसं ऑर्डर पावर मागे पेशंट डी उरल्या त्यामुळे आमकां टायम चॅलेंज करूंक मेळटा न्ही
फॉर्मॅलिटीज चालू सर ते सर्वे डिस्क्रिप्शन आणि अगेन ऑफिशियली डिक्लायर्ड इन द गazette of Government of India. Then we have the opportunity for now already been decided. Our result is not a direct. There is no point in doing this survey. Our only ask about your the most important objection that we have now, this is not the time because our crop is standing. We also come. I mean, I'm the thought that after the crop and how we go and destroy the crop. The farmers also don't enter. We also don't enter. The crop level destroy me, and you are going to. You shatan solo no gel together, and you are damaging the crop. After that, you do the money correct. My correct.
Standing crop was protected even in the British days from all the acquisitions. Standing crop शेतकाराचे जे शेत जे उभे आसा जे रोयल्ले आसा ताजेर कोण वचनाशिल्ले केन्नाय वचनाशिल्ले आतां अशें कशें जावपाक शकता. आतां कितें आसा ऑर्डर आसा
ऑर्डर इन ना दे, ऑर्डर इन ना सगळे बरोबर आहे. ऑर्डर इन ना, ऑर्डर क्या है? ऑर्डर दाखव, ऑर्डर दाखव.
Let him clarify whether he has powers now, 3B, whether it is applicable, and also whether
And
he
even-
can enter standing crop. Let him clarify. But that is not the answer. His powers, if he doesn't have powers under the law, then it is the duty of the authorities not to carry out such abuse of power. He doesn't have powers under the law to enter now. And after 3 years, after 3 years,
If at all you are agreed with this, you may very well approach the competent authority for preferring your appeal on this, no?
but
That also you are saying that you have not.
under the law before this, not after this, not after this order.
This order is there.
This order is not for demand.
Have you
After this,
challenged
this
आमचं मिळलेलं
हम
ना.
order get me the appropriate stay order for using that order
हम घेत आहे, we need time.
without any order.
but in the meanwhile, they cannot enter the standing crop. How can the
Procedure. Now we have to.
आणखो प्रथम No, no, no. Just you read the law first. You read the law. सगळं त्याच्यावर आवडलं आहे. काय तर टिकून वाचून आणलं.
तुमच्या सर्वे कसं झालं आमच्या शास्त्राचे पैसे तुमच्यावर का मारत होते आज सर्वे तुमचा आम्हाला करायला
Gracias.